So this is the Insta360 ONE RS, and I wanted to have ND filters on it, but they don't sell them, at least not in the Netherlands where I live. They do sell them for the ONE R, but they are different. They don't fit directly on the ONE RS. There's a difference. This is an ND filter. I bought them from the ONE R, but they don't fit because inside they have a rubber sort of seal, and that's on 4 sides it's straight. So on the ONE R every side is straight. So you have this is straight on the back. But the difference is on the ONE RS this has an angle, has a slope. And it is also a little bit wider. I hope you can see it on the camera. And if you put on the ND filter of the ONE R, on the right side it fits really nicely. But if you press it on, it cannot go further because there it hits this edge. So what I wanted to do is buy the ND filter of the ONE R and adjust them a little, like I tested on this one. Grind off a little of this, and now they fit. You don't need so much tools. I use this little pointy thing to loosen up this rubber seal, so I can peel it away. And I use the Dremel to grind off the aluminum casing. Use some plastic tape to protect the glass, and use the normal black duct tape to secure it to the camera when it's all finished. I'll show you now. I use a little bit of this duct tape, or like the plastic tape, and put that to protect the screen on the inside. So the aluminum parts will not damage the screen. That's of course really important. So now maybe I should put the camera here. Let's see if this works. So I put a little bit of plastic tape inside to protect the lens, of course, and then I try to loosen this up. They stick quite well, which is the good thing, of course. So now this part is loose. So that was an okay job. Just put this aside, maybe you want to use it. And if you can, remove as much of the glue that's still there, because when you grind off the aluminum, that will stick to that. So just push it away. I always feel like a dentist with this tool, especially this one. Okay, now the grinding will start with the Dremel. I use this one first, try it out. If it works, then it's a little bit bigger diameter, and otherwise I will use this one again. Eventually you will use the small tools, but I try this one, and you have to grind out from beginning of the corner and all the way to actually this edge, maybe 1 millimeter above. Just have to try it out. So that's what I'm doing right now. So now this thing has the profile I think is pretty much it. So now I think I will do the first test fit. Just make sure you have all the gum and the aluminum shit out. And this has some edges, so I have to grind that off first, because then you scratch your plastic part of the camera. So let's try it out. Remove the plastic. Where the fuck did I leave my camera? Here. Shazam. Oops. Okay, let's try it out. And just make sure that this is in a straight line. Actually, it fits already. Oh, it actually fits better than the last. Holy shit, bro. This sticks actually better than my first try. So, well, yo, look at that. I can hold it with the lens on it. It's all the way straight. I suggest you first try it out with a ND filter that you probably won't use so much. For me it was the ND4. I probably will not use that one at all, so that was my first try with this one. So what you should keep in mind, that if it has a corner, then this is a grip point, and if there's still a little bit of if there's still a little bit of material left to grip on, that is better. So this one is my first try, and I took off probably a little bit too much. So this one just don't stick as properly as my second try. I actually feel that it's sucking it like on the edge. So actually this is pretty damn good. So it's your own responsibility if it's if you trust it enough to keep it on like this, or just use a little bit of duct tape. I think I will use a little bit of duct tape because I don't care. But this is actually really nice, and it fits the Insta360 ONE RS pretty damn good. So now I'm trying it on the bike. Yeah, job done. So I will show you the final product. So make sure this is the same height, so it's properly flat. It should look something like this on the camera. I hope the focus will do it. Yeah, it's pretty nice. It's really complicated filming this shit. This is like the stock fitment that it should have also on the One R. Just keep the focus, bro. You see that? That it's still gripping on this edge, this corner. That's a really important part. So I will remove it. Hotseflats, we say. So what I was saying earlier, this corner needs to be still with a little bit of material, and you have to try it out. The first time I did it with the other one was like 10 times trying till it actually fitted, but I still managed to remove too much. But this part is important. So just take a close look to this. It should look like that, and it will grip on your fucking One RS. So guys, thank you for watching and see you later, alligator!